Life is good. Just came back from getting some groceries in town. Kai, are you like getting makeup on to go to town?
I might have put too much zinc on him.
You're lucky he's chill.
He's very chill right now, thankfully.
What did you find? What did you find, Coral?
A baby coconut.
From this tree right there.
The one fell down.
Yeah, it fell down, huh?
What are we getting, Coral? Alex, make sure to get a cucumber for
I got a cucumber for sushi.
Sushi.
Of course.
Or whatever else you think would go good in the sushi.
It's pretty well stocked. We've never been to this grocery store. We were in Roxanne 4 years ago. It's been a while. Oui, quand mon amour. On passe des pommes?
What are you thinking, buddy? What are you thinking? You like the cool grocery store? The air conditioning? Is it nice? Is it nice? Yeah.
Le podcast 5, 6. C'est les pommes à mamie, oui. And, well, it's kind of really warm right now. So, this is Coral's setup. Are you having fun?
Yeah, in the water. With my wetsuit.
Yes, you have your wetsuit?
Yeah.
So Coral's playing in her pool while I'm riding my journal and enjoying a little bit of wine in Roxanne. Look at this. Ah. Tes bulles. Vas-y, fais ça plus longtemps. 1, 2. Ok, encore.
It's time to do a little bit of work. We got the dinghy dropped, which is normally a bit of a struggle, but today there's no wind at all, so it was really easy. And now I've got a skewer and some hydraulic steering fluid, some Sea Star. There's a bunch of different kinds on the boat. I'm just assuming this is the one that the old owner used, because I haven't filled this up yet. And here's the Wagner fill cap here at the pedestal. So, if I recall correctly, it's been a while, he said use the skewer, poke down into it until you can feel the gears, and you want the fluid just a little above the gears. You don't want to overfill it too much. Throw the skewer down here. Let's see, how far does it go? Oh geez, it's on like quite an angle, and then you feel the gears like right away, so not very far. Oh, and I feel there's absolutely nothing there. All right, so my theory was right. I believe we're pretty low on steering fluid. So I'm gonna throw this guy in and slowly, oh no, it doesn't fit. I need a smaller one. All right, let's go look for that. All right, got a smaller funnel in there. Let's see if this is gonna work. Oh, and Kai's still climbing up the stairs, even though Mommy's trying different ways to keep him from climbing.
He's a monkey!
Just like your sister. Yeah.
No, that's dirty.
Alright, we got some oil, maybe a little high, but once I turn the wheel a bunch, that should adjust it. Alright, over to that side. So turning it a few times seems to have lowered it a little bit, so I'm not getting anything on the dipstick anymore, so I'll just pour a little bit more in and repeat the process over and over again until there's still a little bit of liquid above the gears. And it seems actually just from that little bit, it's already quite a bit smoother for turning. It's like when you add a little oil, it gets a little tough at the start. But then when it makes its way through the system, it's super smooth. Now, I do have some bleed some bleeder points on the actual ram down below, but it's the lower point, so I'm assuming I don't need to touch that unless I fiddle with the hoses, because this is the highest point and all the bubbles in theory should be making its way out of this funnel. Now, anybody who has more experience than me, which is probably most people who have hydraulic steering, because this is all new to me, please let me know if I'm correct about that. And since we're a little late in producing real-time videos, I'll find out in a few months if this is actually the proper technique. But this is all I found online, so we'll see. Let me know down below in the comments. Now finally, after a few cycles of the wheel and adding a little bit more oil at a time, I'm now pretty consistently at just a little bit at the end of the stick. If I get it in there right. There we go, a little drop at the end of the stick. And I'm happy with that. I can always add more if I need to later. Kai. Mommy's trying to make lunch, and he always gets upset when Mommy makes lunch because he's very food motivated, let's put it that way. As soon as there's food out, he's on it. But this is pretty much done. I'm happy. Wheel is turning well. No big jumps in pressure, or getting it's force and then whoa, all of a sudden it's easy. It's pretty smooth now. Whoa! You're kicking!
Wow, she's snorkeling.
Whoa, Coral, do you see the fishies?
No?
Okay, we'll try to find them. Whoa, you're so brave.
Ah, life is beautiful. We found those little rocks just off of Starved Creek, where we dropped anchor for some southwest protection. That's beautiful, really shallow coral reefs. Everyone's playing in the water, having fun. Even Coral's getting better at swimming, and Kai is loving kicking his feet in the water. Super awesome. Are you having fun? Wow!
They're being really good, actually.
I know, Kai used to hate paddleboarding.
Look at you! Making it rain.
Thank you, Kai.
You kicking too, buddy?
Yeah, kick. Like this, Kai.
And you're doing your arms too. Wow!
C'est tellement clear. You can't even see a starfish. Right over there. Nah. Nah. Beautiful. Time to empty the swimming pool and take down the tarp.
Doing a great job emptying that pool.
Kai, are you driving us? Where are we going? Going to Hatchet Bay tomorrow? No?
They're trying to enjoy the sunset. Calm down. Oh, let's go get the concorn, Kai. It's right here, Kai. It's right here.
Are we gonna get the green flash?
I didn't see it.
No.
Hey, don't chew on it. We'll go. Go. No, no. You're gonna hurt your teeth. It's hard. See? No, no, don't bite on it. Hey!
We are still in Eleuthera, moving on a little further north to Hatchet Bay, and then to Spanish Wells, and then to the Abacos, and having some fun. But now time to pack away everything, okay, Coral? What are we gonna put away?
All the things.
All the things, like the Play-Doh. Quick!
Yeah.
Quick, 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 quick! Put it away, put it away, put it away!
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Well, we got a bit of a mackerel, but a barracuda ripped it to pieces. I saw him jumping in after it. I don't think it's really worth keeping. There's like barely anything left of it.
Still alive! Hey, yeah. It is massive! This is how we drive. Yeah, the two captains are napping on the job.
Yeah. Well, no.
How are you doing, Carol?
Good.
Good? You're not feeling sick?
No.
No? What are you eating for lunch?
Noodles.
Noodles?
Yeah.
It's gotten a little bit more rolly, and Coral did not take any pills today, so we'll see how that goes. But she's doing pretty awesome. I'm gonna try to force her into napping, even though she doesn't really nap much anymore. We'll see. I think it's a success.
What are you doing? Tightening the winch? Yeah? Tighten it up.
crazy to think that we sailed through this without engine 4 years ago. Well, we made it to Hatchet Bay! Woohoo! Ah, this is nice. I ended up dropping anchor a few times though because we were in the channel and Coral had to go poo. So it was a fun entering of here.